Imagine waking up one day and realizing money isn't the most valuable thing you own anymore. Not your salary, not your savings, but your skills. Because in the future, the people who earn the most won't be the ones with the biggest bank accounts. They'll be the ones who can do the most valuable things. For decades, earning was simple. You get a job, you trade your time for money, you wait for a raise, and you repeat this cycle for 40 years. This system worked when jobs were stable and skills changed slowly. But that system is breaking. Automation, AI, outsourcing, and global competition are changing everything. Companies no longer pay for loyalty, they pay for value. And if your role doesn't create value, it disappears. The future of earning isn't about where you work, it's about what you can do. If you can solve problems, create results, or build systems, income follows, no matter where you live. Here's the key difference. Money loses value over time. Inflation eats it. But skills compound. A skill you learn today can pay you for decades, and often more every year. A designer in one country can work for clients worldwide. A coder can build once and sell forever. A marketer can scale income without working more hours. Skills turn local effort into global income. When you own skills, you're not trapped. You're not dependent on one employer, one company, or one economy. Skills give you leverage, the ability to choose. The biggest mistake people make is trading time for money forever. Once your time is gone, so is your income. Skills break that rule. They let you earn without being present. The new earning model is simple. Learn a skill once, then let it work for you repeatedly. Freelancing, content, products, systems, all powered by skill. In the future, the question won't be how much money you have, it'll be how valuable you are. Because if skills were currency, your income would be unlimited.